Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my thumbnails. So basically what I use is Adobe Premiere Pro and I use Adobe Photoshop. So I pay for both of these, I guess websites, not websites but applications I guess. And basically the first thing that I do is I go through my video and I see any cute still photo that I would want to make as a thumbnail, basically appealing to the eye, very eye-catching. And after that, I basically take a screenshot of it using the little camera tool, and then I open up Adobe Photoshop, I drag it into the thing, and basically just pinpoint certain things about the video, I guess, that would make you understand oh, this is that type of video. But with these two pictures, I didn't really like them, so I decided to take the pictures that I had taken earlier in the day and use those for my thumbnail. So basically I dragged them down, took a color that matched my clothing, and use the font Arial Bold Italic because that's a very popular font, and basically just took some of the words from my title to just make it more understandable as to what I was doing. I then went in to the layer style and I added a drop shadow as well as a stroke. After I did that, I basically took the photo into Facetune so that I could blur out the background, and there you have it, a simple thumbnail. Now, I know that Premiere is something that you have to pay, or not Premiere, but Photoshop is something that you have to pay for. So if you guys want me to do a more free to do an actual free version, I would more than likely love to create a video. I would more than likely love to create a video on that, because that would be what I used when I first started out on YouTube and I did not have any of this software. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you've not done so already, and I will see you guys in the next video.